Okay, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you to master English and discover the world. Today, let's talk about numbers and how to write them. So, you will need paper and a pen or a pencil, something to write with as we talk about the numbers. So, we always start going down with the number from the top, not from the bottom, not from the middle, but from the top. So a simple 1, just nice downward motion. 1. See from the top. 1. 1. And then let's try and get a 2 in there again, starting from the top. 2. Whoop. 2. We want to make sure that they're always the same size as well. Consistently the same size, not all over the place. And let's get a 3 in there. 3. Or we could even do 3 like this. Yeah. Again, we're starting from the top and working our way down from the number. We're not starting down here, we're starting from here. That way, and down, and around. Very nice. Then let's try a 4. Very nice. So we're going down, and across, then down again. Very nice. But what about a 5 then? Across, then down, and around. Very good. Very good. Remember, writing it with me. Otherwise, we're never learning, are we? Yeah. So let's try a 6 then. A nice loop and around. Very nice. Let's try that again. Nice loop and around. Very nice. Very easy. Nice and easy 6. Very good. So 7. There's different ways of doing that one. So we could easily do across, then down at an angle, like that. By all means. Yes. Another one. Across, then down at an angle. And sometimes we could add a little cross here. Depends. I do. Not everyone does in England. But if they saw that, they'd know what it is. So a nice 7. So across, along the top, then down. And we're going to the other end of the line. We're not just going down, could do that as well, but we're going across. We're going across. Very interesting. An 8, a nice loop. Very good one, that is. Starting at the top, again. Nice loop, loop. Very nice. Let's try that again. Starting at the top, going along to the side, going across, going to the side again, underneath, across, and then we're crossing over, then complete the loop. Very nice. Going along the bottom, across, side, up, across, close the loop. Very nice. Nice and easy. So then we have a 9. Very good, a 9. Starting at the top, always at the top. Doing across, back up, and then down, backtracking. Loop, up and down. One more. Starting at the top, going down, going up, and down, without taking the pen off the board. One movement. One movement. Let's do that once more. Across and down. Very good. 9. How cool is that? And then a 0. Nice one. Let's start at the top. Nice loop. 0. Yeah. Sometimes some people put a cross through it as well to distinguish a 0 from like an O. It's fine. But 0. Very good. And notice the sizes are all consistent. They're all generally the same size. They're not, some are too small, some are too big. They're all the same size. Quite consistent. Again, whoops. Again, be writing this with me so as to learn. Hold on. Very good. Alright, so then let's look at some big numbers. So let's have like 10, for example. 10, this is 1 and 0. Starting at the top, going down, 1 and 0. Then let's try 35. Keeping them all together. 3 across. Nice swish. Very nice. And 5. Very good. 35. Very good. And let's say 99. One action without taking our pen off the paper and down. Around and down. 99. 10, 35, 99. Keeping them closer together. And a little bit separated so we know they're separate numbers with a gap. But then when we get numbers that are with 4 digits, we add a little comma. So let's say we have 1,300 and say 52. Then here, 1, 2, 3, a little comma. Yeah. So it's easy distinguishable. 1,352. Very nice. But then let's say it's 26. 26, comma, 26,000. 847. Very good. Every 3 digits, going from right to left, we add a little comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So we can distinguish it easier. But then let's do a bigger number. Let's do 300,000. 300,997,000, comma, because we're doing 3 more numbers. And let's do 477. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. Very good. And let's do an even bigger number. So let's say, let's just do this. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's leave it at that. So every 3, 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So 123,456 123,000 400,000. No. Oh, crazy. Big one. So let's break it down. 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So it's 123,400,506, 400,056, 789. When you're saying it, can be insane. But when you're writing it, a lot clearer. So every 3 digits, add a comma. How cool is that? So remember, we start from the top, going down. The number 1, 2, 3. And we add a comma every 3 digits to spread it out. How cool is that? But if you want to keep learning English, to master it, and then discover the world, subscribe to the channel below and hit the bell notification next to it for the latest videos. Until then, bye for now.